कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो भक्त विनोदाय सच्चिदानंद नामिने गौर शक्ति स्वरूपाय रूपानुगपराय ते। Today is very auspicious day. I think all has spoken in Hindi. I must speak in English something. So today is very auspicious day. The Virahotsav of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, in his pranam mantra, has been written, Namo Bhakti Vinodaya Sachidananda Namine Gaur Shakti Sarupaya Rupanugaparayate. नमो भक्ति विनोदाय। भक्ति के द्वारा, प्रेम सेवा के द्वारा, by love and affection, by prem, who can please Radha and Krishna and serve them, he is called Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He is Sachidananda, like Krishna and Srimati Radhika Sachidananda. They are also Sachidananda Tattva, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Actually, Bhakti Vinod Thakur is Srila Gadadhar Pandit, that is Srimati Radhika. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur is manifestation of Srimati Radhika. In other hand, he is Kamal Manjari. What is the meaning of Kamal Manjari? Srimati Radhika always takes Leela Pushpa, Leela Kamal. Kamal means lotus flower. By which sometimes she can chastise Krishna. So, Bhakti Vinod Thakur is Kamal Manjari. The Kamal in the hands of, lotus in the hands of Srimati Radhika. And that mood is Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He is telling himself that I took birth in, I want to take birth in Barsana Gaon. And my father is brother of Srila Vishwabhanu. And my mother, friend of Kartika Devi. And my marriage has been done in Java. I live in Radha Kunda, serving all these Radha and Krishna conjugal there in Radha Kunda. His service is always for जो उनकी सेवा करती हैं, तांबूल सेवा. His color is Tadit Varna, like very beautiful golden, like a thunderbolt. He has told 11 things which are essential to serve Radha Krishna, conjugal. So 11, everything is there, he has told. He took birth in Bengal, near Mayapur, in Dirnagar, in the house of his maternal uncle. And his education was in Calcutta. From boyhood was very brilliant. And when he was admitted in college, he used to give Sanskrit, English lectures in universities and in big hall of Calcutta, in missionary school and everywhere. all the missions, Christians, all, and especially Rabindranath Tagore and his uncle, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, were all impressed by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. उस समय के थे. After that, he left his home like a beggar. He came to Odisha to his grandfather, anywhere in the border of Odisha and Bengal. There his बोलेছিলাম যে अरे उनके बाबा grandfather was headmaster in any school. He was there sometimes, and after that he left that place and went to Jagannath Puri. At once was so qualified that government of Odisha made him deputy magistrate there and gave whole Puri temple, the charge of Puri temple, and he served for so many years. Once Mayavadi wanted to give him a bribe of lakhs and lakhs rupees, that on the temple anywhere a deity of dog should be kept there. Dog की मूर्ति वहां पर लगाई जाए. जैसे ऑल आर ब्रह्म, पूरी मंदिर के ऊपर कि एक डॉग जो कुत्ता है वो भी ब्रह्म है और जगन्नाथ जी भी, उनमें कोई अंतर नहीं. सर्वम खलिदम ब्रह्म, to prove this, but he denied, and he wanted to punish them. He did so many reforms in that temple, and he was one of a scholar in Puri temple. When he was there, he punished a Bisaksen, who was a very bogus person. He used to tell that I am Brahma, I am Krishna myself, I will do wrath, but he punished him. At the same time, he has a son, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Bimalananda. He took birth there. And when Rath Yatra festival was going, and child was very up, only 6 months or anything, Jagannath Rath Yatra was going on, passing on, it was a stop there. Bhaktivinoda Thakur brought his son and took prasad of Jagannath Dev, and prasadi mala was given in the neck of that child, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur named the boy Bimala Prasad. Bimala Prasad means the grace of Bimala Devi. She is potential manifestation of Srimati Radhika. So Bimala here Radhika, not that. So and after that, when Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati became of 12 years, he used to teach him everything, all Vaishnava Grantha, even Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjwalin Mani, and all other things. So in this year he became very qualified and very learned in all Vaishnava theory. After that, Bhaktivinoda Thakur came to Bengal, and there in Krishnanagar perhaps, or so many places he was there. At that time he wanted to discover the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He took so many books. Also he brought maps from London, Indian Library, and he went to government everywhere and searched the maps and everything. And then he called Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj in Mayapur, and he saw a light, flashing light in Mayapur in the night. And when he went there, he saw that there is a forest of only Tulsi Devi. He asked them, what is the name of this place? They told it is Miyapur. And then why this forest of Brinda Devi is here? Everywhere cultivation of everything is there. Why it is there? They told that we want to take up all the Tulsi plants, cut, but again it becomes more and more. So we cannot do it. Then he decided that this is not Miyapur, this is Mayapur. It has come from Mayapur. And next day he saw light there. And he called Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. And so many learned persons of Bengal. And they went there, and Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, being in the age of 44, and he began to dance and jumping here and there, rolling there, telling that this is the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he discovered the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. At that time, some of devotees of Gaudiya Vaishnava used to not to chant loudly Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Bhakti Vinod Thakur told, it can be chanted, it can be remembered, it can be sing, it can loudly and more loudly it can be done. In mala, without mala, daytime, night time, without snan, or any way it can be done. So no harm. As we will do loudly and more loud, the prabhav, Mahatma, influence of Harinam is more and more. So Gaur Nam, Gaur Kam means Bhakti, and birthplace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, he gave all these things. If Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati was not there, no, this preaching movement in whole world was there. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami preached all his books, all his missions in whole world. So if Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati was not there, then what books? So many books, hundreds of books, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur has written. It perhaps of no use if Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati was not there. Now we are coming to his teaching. His teaching in only one payar is this: Krishnera sansar karo, chhadi anachar, jiva daya Krishna nam, sarva dharma sar. Sarva dharma sar means conclusion, essence of all teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is this: Krishnera sansar karo, chhadi anachar. Give up all bad associations and namaparad, dhamaparad, sivaparad, and offenses on earth, and do Krishna sansar. What is Krishna sansar? Whatever you do, you should do for only the service of Krishna, Hari Guru Vaishnava. This is called Krishna. Manas deha geha jo kichu mor arpino tuha pade nanda kishore. This writing is of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. So whatever you do everything for Krishna. Krishna, Krishna associates, or Hari, Guru, Vaishnava. Haryana Chart. Jive Daya. What is the meaning of Jive Daya? Mercy to Jeev. If you can change only any Jeev move towards Krishna from Vishaya, then this will be greatest mercy to Jivas. If you are doing lakhs and lakhs hospitals, schools, colleges, so many things, you can multiply by 1,000 times or lakhs times. It will not be 100 parts of if you are turning the mood of any जीव to Krishna. यदि आप संसारिक जीवों को, विषय जीवों को, की चित्त वृत्ति को संसार से हटा करके भगवान की तरफ में मुड़ दें, ये कोटि कोटि अस्पताल, कोटि कोटि पुण्य और कोटि कोटि स्कूल कॉलेज की अपेक्षा अधिक होगी। मदर टेरेसा भी का निधन हुआ। आज विश्व के सभी राष्ट्र के मूर्ख जितने हैं वो सब एकत्र होकर के श्रद्धांजलि देने जा रहे हैं। हम कहेंगे तो हमको मारेंगे आज। If I am telling this truth, then all will come and try to murder me. If I am telling this, मूर्ख लोग नहीं समझते। एक वैष्णव यदि एक जीव को माया के संसार से भगवान की तरफ मोड़ दे तो कोटि गुण उसकी दया, कोटि कोटि मदर टेरेसा से अधिक हो जाती है। किंतु मूर्ख जीवों को ये समझ में नहीं आती। जीव दया में किसको कहते हैं? भगवान की सेवा का क्या फल है? What is the result? Fruit of Krishna service. A worthy literate person cannot imagine. श्रील भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर है तो यदि किसी एक जीव की चित्त वृत्ति को भगवान की तरफ में मोड़ दिया जाए तो जन्म जन्म में उसका कल्याण होगा। और इन लोगों का फिर संसार में आएंगे। मदर टेरेसा will have to come to this world. She may be thief, she may be tiger, she may be anything, or no guarantee, no guarantee. By Jeev Seva anyone cannot, by this anyone cannot do, cannot be in heaven also. है ना? कृष्ण भक्ति यदि नहीं करता है तो फिर हाँ नहीं नहीं हिंदी बांग्ला में माता पिता की सेवा इत्यादि करने पर भी, वर्णाश्रम धर्म का सुस्त रूप से पालन करने पर भी, हाँ पौंडसेशम। यदि एक आदमी जितना पुण्य कार्य है सब कर रहा है, माता पिता की भी सेवा करता है, स्त्री के प्रति भी ठीक है, पिता पुत्र के प्रति भी ठीक है, किंतु भगवान की सेवा यदि नहीं करता तो उसका सभी बेकार का है, उसको पाप ही लगेगा। और उसके तरह तरह पे प्रमाण है। If anyone doing service to his father, mother, and he is actually following and observing Sanatana Dharma in full way, but yet if he is not doing Krishna Bhakti, then everything is bogus. And he will have to come in this world. जी अरे भाई बांग्ला का पायार है वो। पंडसेशम नहीं है क्या? के पंडित पंडित के हाँ द्विज पंडित पिता इत्यादि की सेवा करने पर भी कृष्ण की सेवा नहीं करने से उसको नरक जाना पड़ता है। ऐसा कोई तैयार है? हाँ चारणों वास्तव से यदि कृष्ण नहीं भजे तो सब कर्म करते से रौरवे पड़ी मजे। दिस इज वेरी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है। ये जगत में कौन समझेगा? कोई नहीं समझेगा। विशेष करके कलयुग में कोई नहीं समझेंगे, केवल वैष्णव लोग समझ सकते हैं।
उनकी क्रिश्चियनिटी में भगवान का रूप तो है ही नहीं, तो
है।
वो कोई सेवा की उनके पास करने का सुयोग ही नहीं है, किसी भी सेवा मानेंगे वो।
आज हमारा भारतवर्ष के मूर्ख लोग भी, राष्ट्राधिनायक लोग भी इस चीज को नहीं समझ पाते हैं। वेदों की, शास्त्रों की, भागवत पढ़ते तो है नहीं, गीता इत्यादि, क्या समझेंगे। सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य माम एकम शरणम व्रज अहम ताम सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। ये कहाँ उनको ज्ञान है। गीता तो पढ़ते नहीं, अब वही सब चीजें संसार के उधार ले आ रहे हैं, क्रिश्चियनिटी का और उसका जूठा लेकर के इसको पालन करते। भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर का विचार यदि वो पालन करते, इफ दे were in a state to observe Bhakti Vinod Thakur principles, then they can have also realize all this. Otherwise they cannot realize. Another thing, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur has filled whole the tattva of Vaishnava in a jar. Jar means colors, in container. All the things in one slope. Amnaya praha sattam hariniha paramam sarvasaktim rasabdim तद्भिन्नां शास्त्र जीवान प्रकृति कवलितान विमुक्तांच भावात् भेदा भेदम प्रकाशम सकलमपि हरे साधन शुद्ध भक्तिम साध्यम तत्प्रीतिमेव इति. In one slok he has given all things of Ved, Upanishad, Srimad Bhagavat, Gita, and everything is there. Especially Krishna Prem. And this Krishna Prem can only be achieved only by bhakti. What? Sadhan bhakti. And that sadhan bhakti is divided into two, Vaidhi and Ragan. Who will do? Jivas. Who give conditioned soul? They are also of two kinds. They are liberated and conditioned. Liberated always serving in Golok Vrindavan Vaikuntha, and conditioned souls from Anadikal, unlimited time. They are serving here in Maya, coming and going through whole here. If they observe Krishna Bhakti, they will very easily can cross birth and death and everything, and they can go to Golok Vrindavan and serve eternally there, and that's the will be. He has also done Jaiva Dharma, Chaitanya Shikshamrita, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sikha, so many books. If you want to realize all these things, you'll have to go through all the books. Now time is over. I have taken so much. So Gaur Premanande, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur ki jai, Tirobhav Mahotsav ki jai, Abhibhav Tithi ki jai, Gaur Premanande. Gaur means, you have to say, for Vishwarup Prabhu, for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, observed this day. Also, on that very day, Abhay Charana Bhakti Vedanta Prabhu took sannyas here. So we will observe also here. From morning, kirtan and everything will be going on. Within 7 in morning, all have to be stepped. Those who want. 7 बजे के पहले और 7 बजे 8 बजे यहाँ से हम लोग जाएंगे. 8 बजे all devotees will go a very nearer temple of Srinath Ji. Every year we go there. हम लोग वहाँ जाते हैं. इसलिए वहाँ पर 1 घंटा कीर्तन करके फिर यहाँ पर चले आएंगे और फिर 10 बजे से 12 बजे तक उनका हम फंक्शन मनाएंगे. श्रील भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज जी का. उनके चरणों में पुष्पांजलि देंगे, अर्चन करेंगे, उनके संबंध में उनका महात्मा हम लोग बतलाएंगे. यहाँ we will discuss about his glories, how soon he has preached about the whole world, how many books he has done, and how he was glorious. Thus, in evening also, about Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur and Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, we will glorify them. So, यू शुड बी रेडी लाइक दैट। आप लोग उसी तरह से तैयार रहेंगे। 7 बजे 7:30 बजे तक एकदम स्नान करके तैयार हो जाएंगे। वहां पर मैं भी चलूंगा, वहां से कीर्तन करके, हाँ, रूप किशोर बंसल के यहाँ, और वहां से 9 बजे तक आ जाएंगे। 10 बजे यहाँ पर फिर बट दोज हु वांट टू decorate here, some morning they will decorate. Vrindavan, Bilasi and others will do it. God